Hi everyone. Today we will talk about balcony and explain their benefits. There is a lot you need to know about balcony gardening to make it a success. First of all, you need to consider the amount of light your balcony receives. Balconies that receives plenty of sunlight are ideal of plants that require a lot of light, such as herb and vegetables. Next, you need to think about the size of your balcony. If you have a small balcony, you will need to be mindful of how much space you have to work with the choose plants that don't grow too large. If you have a larger balcony, you can afford to be a bit more adventurous with your plant choices. When it comes to choosing containers for your plants, there are many options to choose from. Plastic pots Plastic pots are lightweight and come in a range of colors. When you have your plants and containers in place, it's important to remember that balcony gardens need regular watering and maintenance. Be sure to water your plants regularly and use a balanced filterize to keep them healthy. If you are going away for a few days, you may need to arrange for someone to water your plants for you. One of the biggest benefits of balcony gardening is that it allows you to bring a little bit of nature into your home. Having plants on your balcony can help to improve the air quality, reduce stress, and boost your mind. Another benefit is that balcony gardening is a great way to grow your own food. Whether you want to grow herbs, vegetables, or fruits, a balcony can provide you with the space and light you need to grow a variety of crops. Balcony gardening can also help to save your money. Growing your own food can be a cost effective way to feed your family, and it can also help to reduce your carbon footprint. Add some lighting to your balcony to extend the hours that you can enjoy this outdoor space. String lights, lanterns, or even small solar lights can help to create a warm and inviting ambience and can also provide functional lighting for gardening or dining after dark. Well, there you have it, everything you need to know about balcony gardening. With a little bit of care and attention, your balcony can be a beautiful and productive garden space. If you are new to gardening, balcony gardening is a great way to start. So why not give it a try and see what you can grow? With these tips in mind, you can create a functional and attractive balcony that you will love spending time in. So go ahead and start designing your dream balcony today. Setting up your balcony with comfort, functionality, and style in mind can help to make this outdoor space a true extension of your home. So, whether you are looking to grow plants, relax, or entertain, a well designed balcony can provide the perfect setting.